Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wale FX here, and hope you had a great week last week and a profitable week as well. Today I want to take us through my analysis for the upcoming week, and I'll be talking about four major pairs as usual: gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, and GBP JPY. So, as usual, I'll start with gold and start with the weekly and top-down analysis from the weekly time frame down to the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, you can see that price got to this trend line over here, and bounced off it, forming this lovely pin bar, followed by this bullish candle over here. Also, if you are taking this trade earlier, you will note that if you draw the fib level from this swing low to this swing high, that a price started reversing at the 0.618 or the 61.8% Fibonacci level, which is considered the golden ratio. So I was fortunate enough to take my entry from that level. So my general bias on gold is bullish in the long term. If you are not yet in this trade, no worries, because market always provides a lot of opportunities for you to capitalize on. From the daily time frame, we can see that we have approached this resistance level over here, which will be a key area where we'll be looking for our entry opportunities. Okay, so at this level, two things can happen. All right, one is a bounce off this level back down to the downside, towards the support level and trend line. Another thing is a break of this level towards the upside and the continuation to the upside. So we're not just going to rush and panic and enter the trade once there is a break or once we see a reversal signal. Um, we'll go back to a much lower time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame where I normally take my entries. And if you look closely, you will see that there is this ascending triangle formation, which normally would signal a continuation pattern to the upside. Okay, or a reversal pattern to the upside. So as you can see, price has been ranging in this triangle. So what we'll be looking for is a break above this triangular pattern. Maybe wait for a retest, then you take the opportunity to look for buy trades and take it to the upside. Okay, so that's what we'll be looking for. If by chance price breaks below this level here, we're not going to take the sell. I wouldn't take the sell. If you're a day trader, you could take the sell, but make sure you ensure you proper risk management. But I wouldn't take the sell. I'd rather wait for price to get towards this support level here, as well as a trend line, to look for buy opportunities to enter the market again and take it to the upside. Okay, there's also that possibility that price may not get all the way to this trend line here or support level, but may break this below and get towards halfway before continuing to the top. Once that happens, it's an opportunity for us to use the Fibonacci tool, and we'll draw from the swing high or from the swing low to the swing high, and we'll be looking to take our entries around the 0.5 or 0.618 level. So that's where we'll be looking to take our entries if we see a reversal pattern around here. So we're looking to take our entries to the top. Okay, so generally speaking, I am bullish on gold, and I'll be waiting for buy opportunities, and this can present either as a break above this triangular pattern forming, or a break below here and looking for buy opportunities at either the 50 and 61.8% Fibonacci level, or at this trend line or support level over here. That's why I'm looking for my buy opportunities. All right, so that's my analysis for gold for this upcoming week. The next pair I'll be looking at is the Euro USD. Again, we start from the weekly time frame, right? And on the weekly time frame, we can see that price has been ranging a bit in this triangular pattern. And also, you also note this double top formation as well, and price got all the way down there. So when price got to this lower trend line here, there was a quick rejection forming a pin bar. Okay, and this gave me a signal to buy. Now, if we go to so I was able to buy this, and I'm in about 35 pips in profit. If we go to a much smaller time frame, we'll see some opportunities for you to capitalize on as well if you're not already in this trade. So yeah, so on the formation of this nice daily engulfing candle, I was able to take my entry. Okay, so I'm waiting for price to get here and see how price reacts to this resistance level. If there's a break above this resistance level, I'll wait for a retest and opportunity to enter more buy trades at that point. If you're not yet in this trade, don't panic. The market will give us a lot of opportunities, especially when we go to a much smaller time frame, like the 4-hour time frame. We can see that if you draw this trend line from here, the price has just broken above the trend line. So when market opens, you can look for buy opportunities around here. And if you don't want to do that, then you can wait for price to break above this level here and close above it before looking for buy opportunities. So generally speaking, I will be bullish on Euro USD and be waiting for buy opportunities only. So you can either take here or take when price breaks this level. If by chance price breaks, price falls back down, I don't think it will go below this level, and if it does, probably to this trend line and quickly reject to the upside. But generally speaking, I will be bullish on Euro USD this upcoming week. Now for GBP USD, as you can see, price has gotten to this trend line over here as well as support level and bounced off it, forming this lovely bullish candle stick pattern. So I'll be expecting for GBP USD continuation to the upside as well. Now, if we go to the daily time frame, we can see that on Friday there was this massive bullish run, and price went all the way towards this resistance level and closed above it. This resistance level represented by this blue line over here. Now, if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, we can see even clearly that price went down here to form this double bottom pattern, which we know is a bullish pattern, and we're expecting that price will continue to the upside following the break of this resistance level over here. So because of the break and closure over here, I'm expecting this upcoming week a continuation to this 1.4 level. And if at any point price decides to reverse from here, then I suspect it to go down back to this trend line over here before making another bullish run as well, forming a triple bottom. But my suspicion is that price may not go down, but will rather continue to the upside towards the 1.4 level. And when price gets to this 1.4 level, then we'll be looking to see how price reacts to this level. If it breaks it, then we'll buy more or place more buy trades. And if it forms a bearish reversal pattern, I wouldn't sell the trade. Rather, I'll wait for price to go down to a certain level before I look for more buy opportunities. But for GBP USD, I am generally bullish on this pair, and I'll just be looking for buy opportunities only. And I suggest that you do the same as well. So our final trade today that we'll be looking at is GBP JPY. So as you can see from the weekly time frame, that price has formed this lovely pin bar over here, which is a bullish candlestick pattern, which shows that price may continue to the upside. What happened generally was that sellers tried to push price all the way down, but there were a lot of buyers here, and they ended up pushing price up, forming this small body over here and this long wick, which shows the massive rejection over there. So this for me is an indication that price will continue to the upside. So, and as you can see from the last candle, daily candlestick, this bullish engulfing candle, and I'll be taking my entries around here, or wait for price to just break this resistance level, then take my entries, and probably take my trade all the way to this level here and even further up. But before I enter, I would normally go to the 4 hour time frame to look for perfect entries. So what I'm going to do is I'll wait for price to break this resistance level over here, and once there's a break, probably wait for a retest, then take the trade to the upside. If by any chance the price decides to come down, I suspect it to come down maybe up all the way to the support level here, or to this level here before making the up move. But generally, I will be bullish on GBP JPY. So this is my analysis for these four major pairs this upcoming week. For these major pairs, I am generally bullish. I will be looking for buy opportunities only. Remember that trading is a game of probabilities and anything can happen. So you always have to ensure proper risk management so that you don't risk all of your trading capital on one trade. Thank you very much for listening. If this has been helpful, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I would see you in the next video. Peace.